Helicopter mustering pilots, it's a bloody hard job. You're dealing with animals that are dug into every crevice you can think of, burrowed under trees, running back down rivers and creeks. Flying is a difficult and a dangerous job. You know, we try and minimise as many risks as we can, but at the end of the day, it is a piece of metal. I've been flying now for 20 years. Through my career is 11 of my good friends that aren't here, you know, that have been killed in helicopter crashes. I think about that a lot. Everyone's safety is paramount, and it's far more important than a few bulls. We can always come back and grab them at another time. The biggest thing for me is safety.
Don't fly sideways like that. Fly straight, keep going, and then turn around.
All of a sudden, it just turned, it just changed, and it hadn't got to where Lizzie was at that stage, but yeah, it was violent.
Actually, Lizzie, just find a spot to land there, please.
What do you need?
I want you to land over here now, please, with me.
I'll just get these cattle turned off the creek and I'll be right there.
Hey, Lizzie, come over here now, mate. I'm not going to ask again. Come over here now and don't worry about the cattle and the creek.
I was worried that, you know, she'd get a hell of a fright, she might do something wrong and the wind might get her. So it was imperative to me to get her on the ground.
Can you just let me just carry on?
Mate, come over here now, please.
We're going to lose this mob right here.
We're not going to lose anything, Liz. The biggest thing we're going to lose is you if you don't listen. Now get over here, please. Go back and find somewhere to land. Now.
Lizzie is an amazing woman. There's not many things that I can do now that she can't.
I heard you about the downwind thing, Willie. It's all right.
And now she's flying, and flying pretty bloody well too, but she's got her training wheels on.
Not feeling that confident, Willie, with all that wind, and there's a bit too many trees to land. Are you sure? Do I need to? What do you want?
Lizzie, I want you to come back over here and I'll see you for the spot to land.
I was struggling to find a good spot that I thought I could land just easily without moving myself around too much or having the risk of hitting something.
This is where you can sit up and approach and come in here and land nicely. Keep going, keep going.
Willie's such a good pilot, and just to have that confidence to know that he's there watching out for me, it's good. It's really good. It's always a challenge to try and take yourself out of the husband-wife situation and to remember that he's the senior operator there and you need to listen to him.